Hi everyone, so this project started with what I thought was a great idea. I had some leftovers copper sheets, zero point 0.6 and 1.5 millimeter, and I thought, hey, why not make a sculpture of a man? Easy, right? Yeah, it turned out not so much. From the very first well, I realized this was going to be one big learning experience. Nothing went according to plan. I was cutting the pieces by hand, completely by eye, and of course, always discovered they didn't fit properly after I welded them, which meant I had to fix and redo a lot of the parts. That's actually why the sculpture has a scar on its arm, or let's call it artistic detail. Piece by piece, I built the body, then the head. And finally, I even learned how to drill neat little holes into travertine for the base. When the sculpture was almost finished, I realized I need some shine. So I polished it up. Naturally, I forgot to record that part. So you just have to enjoy the final shiny version. I hope you had fun watching this little journey of trial, error, and copper. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.